Hi, I'm Saii and this is your #1 resource to everything VRChat filmmaking. In this series you will get familiar with VRCLens and learn how to use it to your advantage, starting of course with setting it up on Unity. If you haven't already learned how to set up an avatar in VRChat, please watch these videos which I will link below and come back to the video. If you already have an avatar that is set up and ready to be uploaded, then continue on my good sir. So let's start with importing the VRCLens package into the project. Just drag the Unity package in the VRCLens folder to the project and click import. Once you're done importing, go to the VRCLens folder, prefabs, and drag the VRCLens prefab into the hierarchy. Click on the VRCLens and this is where you'll be setting up the camera. Let me explain what these gizmos mean. The camera, it's the VRCLens that you'll be holding. The green camera, it's the desktop view that you'll have when you use VRCLens on desktop. The line, it's the focus point that is mainly used in selfies and as such. To be honest, I never use the selfie part of VRCLens, so I can't really say much about that. The rectangle, it's the focus point for the VRCLens camera. Basically, you put this on your avatar's finger and you'll be able to touch the VRCLens camera to set the autofocus point. Now, to make VRCLens fit your avatar, you'll need to adjust each gizmo to each part of your avatar. Thankfully, you can do this automatically by clicking the auto arrange button. Just drag your avatar in the hierarchy to this target avatar box and click the button. Of course, you still have to adjust each gizmo to make it comfortable for you, but the auto arrange button just makes the work easier. One tip I would give for adjusting the gizmos is, make sure that the VRCLens camera is not too close to the actual hand, and is positioned at a 15 to 20 degree angle away from your wrist. That way, you'll be able to see the VRCLens camera at a comfortable position. For the blur sizes, pick the option that is most similar to your GPU. As for the other options, just make sure to set the picture style to RAW, as it will give you more freedom in color grading the video. Enable the virtual horizon and the grid. It will give you more insight on how to frame your shot. And make sure your sensor resolution is set to 2.1 MP, since it's the resolution that will give you most performance. And with that, just click the apply VRCLens and you are done with the setup. In the next video, we will learn what each icon in VRCLens mean. Until then, stay tuned. Like and subscribe and please tell me in the comments how the setup went. This is Saii, signing off, goodbye.